Today we will be removing and replacing the light socket on this Frigidaire freestanding gas range.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Common symptoms of a failed light socket will be the socket itself damaged or broken, an old bulb stuck inside and you can't get it out, or simply no light with proper voltage. Now let's begin the repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, remember to disconnect the power from the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin the repair, first we'll open the door and remove the upper rack. Next, we'll access the light socket by removing the metal clip that holds the bulb cover on. Simply just slide it out of the way. And take your cover off. Set that to the side. And if your bulb's dead, just remove that first. Now we'll move to the rear of the unit. After accessing the rear of the unit, first we'll remove the 4 1/4-inch screws. You can place that to the side. Next, we'll remove the 2 wires going to your light socket. Now, there's a black clip that holds this in. This socket actually is pulled through the front, but you have to access the back in order to depress the clip that holds it in. So what you'll do, sometimes you can usually get one side with one hand, and you may need like a flathead to push in the other side, depending on how tight they are. So what you want to do is loosen it to push it through, but not push it through all the way, just so it doesn't fall and bang around in there. So we'll push it in. So now it's nice and loose, and sometimes the spring just pops it through. It will land on a little bit of insulation in there, and we can access the front to pull it out. With the socket pushed from the back through the front, reach in and grab it. Shouldn't be obstructed by anything. You can place it to the side. To install your new socket, it is keyed to where your clips go in. So we'll just line it up and push it straight through. Once you push it back, next we can install our bulb. And if your clip fell out, it's best to install that first. Just makes putting in the bulb cover a lot easier. The bulb cover over the bulb here. Can reinstall our rack. Shut the door. Now we can go to the rear of the unit to complete the repair. Now we can reinstall our wiring. Lastly, we can reinstall the rear cover. And this will complete the repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.